Hi guys, welcome back in this new video. This is Sohaib and you are watching SaaS Reviews with Sohaib. Are you looking for any tool for recording and transcribe and edit? You can do all these things on same platform. So I have a better option for you in this video. So watch this video till the end so that I can reveal that tool right in front of you, how the tool helpful for you and how you can use that tool. Okay, so we will start this process, but before that, if you are new to this channel, hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, so whenever I will reveal my new SaaS review video, so you will get a notification. Okay, so without getting any delay, let's jump into it. So about that tool which I'm talking about, the tool name is Spoke. Spoke is a software built to record, transcribe and edit videos, meeting or conference and share them across platforms, right? And if you talk about the tool features and benefits, so first of all we will talk about the tool recordings. This feature allows you to record anything in your video conference or meeting through the software. And if you talk about transcription, the software is also able to transcribe everything that has been said during the meeting in just one click. Okay, and if you want to edit your videos, there are also tools to edit the videos that you have recorded through the software. All you have to do is to highlight the text in your transcription and then change that part of you feel like it isn't accurate enough, right? And if you talk about the highlighting part, so you can also highlight interesting or important movements live in the Spoke user interface with the highlight movement feature for you to keep track of the important questions. And now now we will talk about creating summaries. So you can also create summaries of long meeting and share them with your team or post clip from your webinars to social media. And if you talk about search option, this feature allows you to get the important parts of the video through searching the transcript. This way it will be easier for you to locate the sound bite or clip that you have to find, right? And now we will talk about extractions. Once you have found the sound clip, all you have to do is to extract it so you can make it a standalone video clip. And now you can share your sound clips, video clips and transcriptions to social media or wherever you may want to share it to. And if we talk about who is Spoke for, so remote teams who are in need for tools that can help them collaborate more effectively, and social media influencers or vloggers who need a tool helps them record, transcribe and share their content. And for educators also, educators who are looking for a tool to help them share their webinars and transcribe them more effectively. And some things I will tell you to note about Spoke. The online report are a bit rigid and would have been better for it to be a bit simpler. It lacks paragraph features that would have been great for longer comments. And if you talk about company, so company founded in 2002, estimated number of employees 5. If you talk about founder profile, so Vincent Combe, Julian Brusley and Lajer Roslian, these all members are a founder of this particular company. So many things you can search about them, right? Because this company is very trusted and they have a very long background, right? So if you will go their official website, so you can check their pricing plan also. So they have an 3 pricing plan. You can choose a free plan also. Okay, in free plan what you can do, record, transcribe and share any conversation. Okay, create and share video highlights, store 10 conversation of Spoke, because you haven't sufficient limitation. But if you will go with their most popular plan, which is knowledge, so you have to pay $17 for this plan, and you can do all these things all of free forever. Download your videos and highlight storage on Spoke, store 80 conversation on Spoke, professional transcription at $60 hour. Okay, and if you will go with enterprise plan, if you are in company, if you are in digital marketing agency, you have a very big load of your work, so you can choose this plan also, $80 monthly. And in this plan, all these features you will get. But I have an amazing deal for you in this video. If you want this tool for a lifetime, so you can right now grab this tool for a lifetime, right? So here is it. You can buy this tool from AppSumo marketplace. Now you will ask to me, what is AppSumo? AppSumo is a digital marketplace where you can find all digital tools for your businesses. You can automate your entire business with the help of these tools. Okay, AppSumo is a trusted, reputed digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. Okay, so they have a good reputation, good rating. If you will search about AppSumo, so you will find so many positive things about AppSumo platform. So if you will buy this tool from AppSumo, so you have to pay only $79 one time, and you will get this tool for a lifetime. Okay, but they have an 3 pricing plans: license tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. If you will go with tier 1, so you have to pay $79 and all these features you can access. If you will go with tier 2, so you have to pay $159 for one time. And if you will go with tier 3, so you have to pay $309 just one time, and you can access this tool completely for a lifetime. Okay, and also they have mentioned all the plan and features about this tool. You can read all these things, and as well as they have mentioned 60 days money back guarantee also. If you, after buying this tool, if you are not satisfied, so you can get back your refund no matter the reason, right? And all these things you can read here about this tool. So now we will go in a practical session, and I will show you how you can do all these work in your through your Spoke account, right? Okay, so now I'm in the dashboard of Spoke.app. Okay, so now what you can do here, you can see tutorial application, tutorial sharing, and you can watch editing and correcting. Okay, 1-minute tutorial and welcome. So all these videos you can see here after entering this dashboard, because whenever you will enter this dashboard, so this dashboard is completely new to you, right? So you can watch all these tutorials and you can get understand about this tool, how you can use it. Okay, so if you want to create new Spoke, so just you have to click on new. You can upload a file, and you can also record a conversation with the Spoke desktop app. Okay, if you want to upload your file, so just you have to click, and you can upload any your file. Just to click, choose your file simply and open it. And also just you have to select the spoken language. You can choose your language according to your country. I don't know where are you from, you watching this video, right? But from any country you are, so you can pick your language, right? And select the transcription quality, automatic or professional do you want. So right now I'm going with automatic. If you want professional, so you can go with professional also. Okay, and use my vocabulary. So if you want to use, so just enable this tab and you can use your vocabulary. Okay, and transcribe in English. So if you want transcribe in English, so just click on this and your video will uploading in progress. Okay, so your video will upload like that, and now this video will transcribe through this process. And what you can do more, just click on another. Now yeah, if you will click on this button, so you will find here all your downloads. If you will click on this bulb, so you will find here your documentation, next up and feature request, welcome video. Okay, all these things you will find here. Editing. Okay, now welcome in editing section. Here you can edit your video. Okay, in sharing process, from here you can share your video. And if you talk about export section, so here you can from here you can export your video. And options, you can export the transcription in a Word file. Okay, the video, the edited video, highlights, the subtitle file in SRT, and all these things you can do. Or if you talk about again searching, so you can search all your videos here. Searching and MP creating, you can search for specific assets, select a many clips or movements as you want. Okay, and view and create videos from there, right? Whenever you will click on transcription, so you will find all these instant transcriptions, professional transcriptions, and professionalized dictionary. Okay, now we will talk about application. So whenever you will click on introduction, so you will find here introduction. And if you want to know more about screen capture, so here you will get a screen capture process, how you can capture a screen. And now if you want to know sound capture, so here you will read this article about sound capture. And now if you want to know sound capture for Windows, because for different devices are different processes. Okay, if you want for Macs and if you want for Windows, so you can go through different applications. And now if you want to know about camera, so how to access an Spoke allows you to record screen explainer with a nice camera bulb. So okay, so now you can know more about camera setup. Zoom integration, you can do you can integrate this tool with your Zoom app, if you know about Zoom app. Okay, and now you will see your download files, right? And now if you have any problems, so definitely waiting for transcriptions, so you can find here incomplete video from screen recording. So you will find here download looping and infinitum and Zoom bot, leaving too early. So many things you will get here, and other things are also here. If you will click on account, so you will find the account section, and you will find here invoice, password reset, how you can generate invoice, how you can reset your password, account detection, so many things. And if you want to referral to any person this tool, so you can refer also. And question and suggestions, if you want to know more, so you can click here and you can know. So now whenever you will click on your profile, here you will get your profile, and if you want to any change in your profile, so you can definitely change it. And subscriptions, video number, referrals, invoice, so many things you can do. And if you want to chat with them, so just you have to click on this chat and you can chat with the Spoke official team. So I hope you found this video very helpful for you, because I have tried a very in-depth explanation so that you can understand about this tool, right? And that's it for this video. So if you are interested to buy this tool, and if you want to really serious about your work process, if you really want to do your all different kind of works in same platform, so you can use this tool, right? So really, if you want to buy so you can grab this tool with lifetime deal from AppSumo marketplace. So if you wanna buy, so I have mentioned the link in my video description, so you can go through that link. Whenever you will click on that link, so you will be redirect on AppSumo marketplace, this landing page. So whenever you will be enter here, so just you have to pick your plan and you can generate your code. Okay, so that was the video which I have revealed in right in front of you. Thanks for watching this. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so whenever I will be reveal my new SaaS review video, so you will get a notification. Okay, so I'll see you soon in another one. For till now, bye bye and take care of yourself.